Irrigation.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
We all know that water is very much essential for all living organisms. Even in crop fields, seeds can germinate only when there is availability of sufficient amount of water. Furthermore, plants also need water for growth and development of flowers, fruits, and seeds.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Along with water, plant roots also absorbs essential minerals and fertilizers. On an average, a healthy plant contains 90% of water. Water-containing nutrients get transported to different parts of plants. Water present in plant also protect the plant from frost as well as from flowing hot air. Therefore, a healthy plant requires regular supply of water. The supply of water to the crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. The time and repetition of irrigation is different for different crops, different for different soil types, as well as different in different seasons.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, in summer season, due to hot climate, evaporation of water through plant leaves and soil is higher, and so irrigation is done more frequently. However, in winter season, due to cold climate, irrigation is not so frequent. Sources of irrigation. Various sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, and canals.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Traditional methods of irrigation. Moat, that is pulley system, chain pumps, dhekli, rahat, or level system are some of the methods to bring out water from wells, lakes, or canals and irrigate the land. These methods are based on cattle or human labor. Therefore, these are cheaper. However, these are less efficient. Of all traditional methods, pumps are most common. Pumps use diesel, biogas, electricity, or solar energy as fuel. Modern methods of irrigation. These methods are more economical and effective as compared to traditional methods. Sprinkler system. This system consists of vertical pipes provided with rotating nozzle on the top and are joined to main pipelines at regular intervals. With the help of pump, water is allowed to flow through these pipes under pressure. The pressure of water makes the nozzle to rotate and water is sprinkled on the crops similar to rain. It is useful if ground is not leveled or if there is insufficient quantity of water, usually in sandy soil.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Drip system. With this system, irrigation is done drop by drop near the plants so that only the part of soil where roots grow is wetted. It is best suited for fruit plants, garden and trees. Due to drop-by-drop irrigation, there is no water wastage in this system. However, the irrigation needs to be done more frequently. This system is very useful in the regions where the availability of water is poor. So I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.